Hi, I'm Carrie Stokes. I've been with Cintas for 20 years and am Vice President over a hospitality and gaming segment. A restaurant within a property, we're able to provide their full comprehensive apparel line, from the hosts to the servers to the executive chef and line cooks in the back of house. Within housekeeping, we're not only able to provide the apparel that the housekeepers wear, but the microfiber cloths and cleaning chemicals that they use in the guest rooms. And also our Branch and Vina offering includes the soap and lotion that can be placed within each guest room as well. The engineering staff within a property will not only provide them the apparel that they wear, but also help them with the services that they need to check on a daily basis to keep their employees safe. The fire extinguishers at a property, the alarms and monitoring, and the AEDs on site to ensure that they're ready in the event that a situation would occur. Within our apparel line, we have a variety of solutions, from branded partnerships like Carhartt to Cintas Comfort Flex apparel line. It provides a variety of solutions that each customer can pick what they feel best fits their needs.